Meeting you, Tim, for the first time, brought a smile. I met Larry, and I became a believer.
So I started to kind of do some homework on stem cells when I had a friend who was walking with a cane, was 59 years old. He came into my office one day, didn't have a cane. And I said, "What? Tell me." And we went and got some coffee, and he started telling me about it. He went through this experience with stem cells. 6 to 8 months later, the guy was walking almost normally with no cane. I started to look into it, and I said, "Man, I'm doing that."
I had hip replacement over a year and a half ago, and I'm still suffering from pain. Stem cells became on our radar as far as one of the ways to maybe correct that. And my good friend Tim asked me to come out and try stem cells, and I've had great success so far. That's my day two.
When I came down, I really focused on what facility would look like, what I would feel going through the transition, and everything was a step above. The facility itself is amazing. It's very modern. And then meeting Dr. Arnan, it was, transformation. It made me feel really special.
I like to ask a lot of questions and talk about all kinds of other things. And I've asked them about, this thing and that thing. And they were very gracious with their time. And that just speaks volumes, I think, as to the care or the overall process, which is somebody's well-being, which isn't necessarily just tied into, we're going to give you stem cells and you'll...
As a patient and also as a doctor, having that care and attention that Dr. Variola gave me, and also Nurse Carol, it was amazing. The experience was phenomenal. And I highly recommend this for anybody who has fear or concerns of getting stem cell therapy. This place, Celebration, is a celebration of your life, of your new life, how you can be and how you should be. And I thought this was a brilliant experience.
There's no fear once you get in the chair. There's a small needle prick that I just squeezed my hand and I didn't even feel. I felt no pain. I fell asleep. I woke up and I was done.
The vitamin infusion was brilliant. I just felt revived and so fantastic. And the hyperbaric chamber where they prepped your body to get through the stem cell process was my first time. I'd never had that before. And I felt very comfortable. I didn't even realize how comfortably relaxed you could get.
You'd sleep sometimes.
Oh, I did fall asleep. I did. But it may be because your mind is at peace and you're happy and you feel safe. And this is the environment they provide you. Knowledge, information, takes away that fear.
If you're here for your primary motivation is health, and that's your journey, and even if you just come for that and don't see the rest of Costa Rica, I think it's time well spent.
Stem cells and this new treatment, everybody is talking about it now, and everybody, even the States, other places, claim that they are the experts. So what we did was we started researching to find out who the godfathers, who the pioneers were in this field, which naturally led us to Dr. Nod, which then led us to the company that we are dealing with here, and we'll hopefully be able to work a business arrangement out. And we're going to try to open the door to conversation between NFL organizations and the other groups, all of the groups, the NFL former players, which we belong to, the NFL alumni, NFL legends, and hopefully with some of the team owners to at least take a look at what is happening at this particular clinic, because it is different. It is a championship organization, that I can promise you.
From back to spine to prostate to me with my hip. I came out here because of my hip replacement. I actually have bone on bone in both hips. So I have arthritis, have suffering from that. So the stem cell piece is going to do so much for guys that we have to get it on our NFL radar is something to be compensated for. That's the goal. And I've been into a lot of different clinics, and I even own a couple of wellness clinics. But this is what far none, the best clinic I've been to.
Throw your name. Tim's a great guy, good host. There's some good restaurants in San Jose, Costa Rica.
It is so calming, it's so soothing to the visual field. I just found it to be amazing. And the birds, you see the birds flying and having fun. It's really nice.